This video is about how to make wax at home. The first one is sugar, and the second ingredient is lemon. You have to squeeze out a lemon juice inside the sugar, like the way I just did. Squeeze out 2 lemon juice inside it and add 1 cup of water to the mixture. After you have added this water, then you have to on the flame and put it there. Stay close to it. Stir it while it's on the fire. It will turn to a deep honey color like this. After it has turned, then you bring it down. You take it down. See how it is. It will be like this. That is when you will know that it's okay. Then you have to bring it out from the saucepan. After I have brought it out, then it will look like this. See how it is. Then you will let it cool. Let it cool. Do not do this when it's hot because it might hurt you. Let it cool. When it's cool, then you start to apply it on the place you want the hair to be removed. On the place you want to do the waxing, just apply it there like this. You will apply it there. It's gonna hurt little, but you don't mind because you want to remove the unwanted hair. You will apply it like this on your skin. After you have applied, you don't have to leave it for too long on your skin to avoid hurting. You just have to use it there, apply it there, apply it all over the place. After you have applied it all over the place you want the hair to be removed, then you have to remove it. You have to peel it off, and you will see that the hair is removing. The hair will just remove without anything. So see how it removes the hair. It will remove the hair and you will see the hair on this. Please subscribe to my